341 has been extended until 4 p.m. and expanded to include the following county: Hudson, New Jersey. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Whoa, doubleheader. Shut up! Thank you.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 341 has been extended until 4 p.m. and expanded to include the following marine locations: waters from Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles, and waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.